Hala. Candidate number 6. How about candidate number 7? Candidate number 8. Candidate number 9. Number 10. Candidate number 10 is Charmel Hilaga Narano, Barangay Council at Sangguniang Kabataan. She's candidate number 10. Our third vice. Candidate number 7.
Candidate number 7 is Nubali Nasaruha, representing Ward 7 and the Philippine Navy and Marines.
She's candidate number 7. Barangay San Antonio. Let's meet our top 5 finalists. To all our lady candidates, thank you so much. Our fishbowl. Now proceed to the question and answer portion, beginning with our finalist number.
Good evening, candidate number 10.
Good evening, sir.
My question goes like this. Young minds learn from the example set by the older generation. If a young girl looked up to you as Miss San Antonio Tourism, what would you want her to learn from the way you represent your barangay?
I want young girls to learn that beauty comes from confidence, kindness, and purpose to serve others wholeheartedly. As Miss San Antonio Tourism, I will proudly to promote our tradition and inspire more people to experience the beauty of Barangay San Antonio with pride and honor. Thank you!
There you have it, congratulations to Barangay San Antonio, your candidate number 10. Thank you. Our next candidate.
Mayong gabi ug advance happy fiesta Barangay San Antonio. Good evening, candidate number 5.
Good evening, sir.
Are you now ready?
Yes, sir.
And your question is, according to Robin Sharma, leadership is not about a title. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration. If you were Miss San Antonio Tourism and your reign ended yesterday, what measurable impact or legacy do you believe you left behind, and how would you ensure that it lasts beyond your time?
If my reign ended yesterday, I would want my legacy to be the confidence I inspired, the opportunities I created for young girls. As an advocate for their protection and empowerment, I would organize youth awareness talks and volunteer outreach initiatives which shape their knowledge, confidence, and the courage to use their voices and strengthen their faith and values. And to ensure that this impact lasts beyond my reign, I would help make a youth-led groups where they can continue mentoring, inspiring, and supporting one another. Because leadership for me is not about the title I hold, but about the lives I empowered and the...
Thank you, candidate number 5. Straight pa jadi ayon mo sa time.
Hello, Barangay San Antonio! Alright, good evening, candidate number 7.
Good
Alright, the question is, the youth play a vital role in organizing events that promote sports development, culture, and tourism. With the current issue today, how would the abolition of the Sangguniang Kabataan affect sports and tourism initiatives and youth participation in Barangay San Antonio?
Well, for me, the abolition of Sangguniang Kabataan can reduce the youth development and youth tourism and other community service, such as in our barangay, San Antonio. The Sangguniang Kabataan is the bridge of our youth activities and other tourism. Sangguniang Kabataan helps us grow into leaders, not into followers. And I thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Barangay San Antonio, our candidate number 7. Barangay San Antonio, that completes, of course, our question and answer portion. Thank you so much to our candidates. And now, ladies and